What if I told you that while you're watching this video, a simple investment strategy could be quietly working behind the scenes, building your path to financial freedom, even while you sleep? Picture this. It's 7 a.m. on a Monday morning. While millions of Americans are stuck in traffic, scrambling for coffee and bracing themselves for another day of trading time for money, you're on your porch, relaxed, watching the sun rise. Then it happens. Your phone buzzes. But it's not your boss calling, it's your brokerage account, notifying you of another dividend payment. A reward from owning reliable dividend stocks inside one of the most powerful tools available to everyday investors, SCHD, the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. SCHD isn't just another dividend ETF. It's widely considered one of the best dividend ETFs in the stock market today. Built on a foundation of high-quality companies with a strong track record of paying and growing dividends, SCHD is a favorite among investors who want steady income, long-term growth, and a realistic path to financial freedom. In this video, we'll break down how SCHD works, what makes it stand out among the best dividend ETFs, and why so many investors are using it to gain consistent exposure to top-tier dividend stocks. Whether you're brand new to the stock market or looking to enhance your existing portfolio with a reliable dividend ETF, you'll discover why SCHD is a cornerstone for anyone serious about building passive income. Ready to stop trading time for money? Welcome to Trailblazers Mindset, where wealth builders come to get inspired. Let's dive in. Firstly, here's a sobering truth that few people discuss. 67% of Americans report financial stress as their primary life concern, ranking higher than health, family, or career worries. Despite working harder than ever, most people are financially struggling to make progress. Consider these eye-opening statistics. Since the 1970s, productivity has skyrocketed 70%, while real wages have crawled up just 12% based on adjustments for inflation. And according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, BLS, American workers made a median wage of $1,139 per week in the first quarter of 2024, which would add up to $59,228 per year. That's why it is crucial to never joke about financial education. Because if you think about it, 9 to 5 jobs primarily operate on a brutal mathematical equation. Time equals money. When your time stops, your money stops. This creates what wealth experts call linear income. You get paid once for your effort, and that's it. But here's what the wealthy understand that most people don't. Exponential income beats linear income every single time. This leads to the most critical question. What is SCHD and why is it considered by many as the ticket to freedom? SCHD, Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, isn't just another investment. It's your personal army of America's most profitable companies working around the clock to build your wealth. With a single purchase, you become a partial owner of financial powerhouses like Coca-Cola, a century-old cash-generating machine, Home Depot, dominating the home improvement sector, Lockheed Martin, consistent profit, generators with rock-solid dividend histories, and others include industry giants like Chevron Corporation, PepsiCo Inc., Cisco Systems Inc., Verizon Communications Inc. These are companies with decades of successful track records. This is not difficult to figure out. Consider the current SCHD performance metrics. The 10-year average return is approximately 11% annually. Current dividend yield is 3.42%, and the dividend growth occurs automatically on an annual basis. At this point, I will recommend getting your pen and paper ready, as we are about to break down the number for the $50,000 wealth transformation path. Before we continue, if you find value in this video, please hit the subscribe button to join our growing community. We appreciate your support. Thank you. Years 1 to 2, planting the seeds of freedom. Starting with $50,000 in SCHD, you immediately begin earning approximately $1,700 in annual dividends. That's $425 every quarter, money that arrives whether you're working overtime, sleeping peacefully, or vacationing in paradise. The magic begins with automatic dividend reinvestment. Every quarter, those dividends purchase more shares, hiring additional financial employees without you lifting a finger. Years 3 to 5. This is when the momentum builds. By year 5, your annual dividend income grows to approximately $2,500, a 50% increase from year 1. In case you're wondering how, well, it's because of what's happening behind the scenes, called the double compounding effect. 1. Your reinvested dividends buy more shares. 2. The companies increase their dividend payments annually. Next, years 6 to 10, This is when the snowball becomes an avalanche. Basically, this is where the magic accelerates. Your initial $50,000 potentially grows to $119,000, generating approximately $4,700 annually. That's nearly $400 monthly in passive income. Depending on where you live and your life needs, this could cover your car payment, utilities, or streaming services, expenses you never have to worry about again. Years 11 to 20. Now you are approaching financial freedom. Your investment potentially surpasses $300,000, with annual dividend income exceeding $12,000. That's $1,000 monthly, enough to cover significant household expenses. Now let's fast forward to my favorite, years 21 to 30. This is when you will start enjoying true financial independence. Your investment would be close to $3 million, with annual dividend income reaching approximately $80,000. This passive income rivals many professional salaries without requiring a single hour of your time. The path from financial stress to dividend-powered freedom isn't just a dream, it's a decision. And the most powerful investment you'll ever make isn't just in SCHD or the stock market. It's in your mindset and your commitment to stay the course. Yes, there will be obstacles beyond the obvious. Inflation can quietly impact purchasing power. Rising interest rates may spook the markets and the media. They'll feed you panic daily, urging you to sell low and buy high. But here's the truth. Patience is your superpower, and time in the market always beats timing the market. By staying invested, staying consistent, and allowing dividend investing to do its job, you turn short-term noise into long-term gains. So, the question isn't whether you can afford to invest in SCHD, it's whether you can afford not to. Because every quarter you delay is a missed opportunity for passive income, financial independence, and a life on your own terms. Start your SCHD dividend journey today. One share, one click, one decisive step toward the life you deserve. If you're serious about building real wealth, then consider this channel as your financial gym. Every video is a workout for your portfolio, your mindset, and your money skills. If today's video helped you level up your financial education, even just a little, please smash that like button and subscribe so we can continue to grow and build wealth together. If you are interested in how savvy investors are turning $20 a day into $1.4 million, check out our video on that topic. The link is in the description. Please note that we are not financial advisors. This content is for informational purposes only. Click on the next video on your screen. We appreciate your support. Thank you.